Master Yoda.
Count Dooku.
You have interfered with our affairs for the last time.
Powerful you have become, Dooku. The dark side I sense in you.
Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My name is Martin and this is my daddy Riga.
And this is...
Ryu.
Yeah!
StarWars.
Wow, Star Wars!
StarWars.
Yes, I'm also wearing Star Wars, right?
Only
You have something here, what is it?
What?
30.
There's
30, you have something here. Okay, and welcome back again for another unboxing and a quick review. Yes?
Yeah.
So today we're going to unbox the newly released, of course, been a year that we've been waiting for this one too. Of course, this is
Master Yoda.
actually a companion of Count Dooku. Has been waiting for this one too. As a also companion of Count Dooku, because as Hottoys, remember they show this one, or they took a picture of this one fighting each other from that episode 2.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh hey. Yes.
Oh.
This is Master Yoda.
Yes.
Okay, from the movie Star Wars, of course.
Master Yoda MI.
Yes, by
Hottoys 1/6 scale collectible.
yeah.
It is MMS 495.
Yes, MMS 495. So there you go, guys. Okay, so I just picked up this one earlier. So this is the box, guys. See there? At the back, and also has a picture on the side. His picture on the side.
See now.
This one, oh.
Wow.
You see, wow, nice.
Yes.
Very shiny picture. Okay, let's open it.
That one man again.
So this is the
More.
another print
Yes.
of Yoda of Hottoys. Yoda Hottoys. Not the real Yoda from the movie, but the Hottoys.
The picture where it's like deflect, like counter-attacking the lightning.
Yeah, his counter attack the lightning of Count Dooku, or trying to trying to absorb
and then give it back to
yes, or fire it back to Count Dooku. Is what you can see right away inside the box.
900 years old.
Yes. First, what's first? Let's start from his hands.
Yes, 3 pairs of hands.
3 pairs of hands, guys.
And there are 3 fingers. And this one, my one. A very rich.
The next is
cane. This cane.
cane or staff. We will compare later the okay.
We got the
show
first
it.
one as well.
Wait, I'll check it.
These
Cane.
cane.
Yeah, cane. And then his
That one.
lightsaber.
Effect.
Say lightsaber.
Lightsaber.
And you show it to them. You show it to them.
And then this,
Yes,
and then this
show
is
to
the
them.
lightsaber effect.
Motion effect.
And what's this thing?
This is lightsaber. Yeah.
Wow.
Next is
lightning.
the lightning effect.
He holds it.
Actually, that lightning effect from Count Dooku, and then he counters it.
Hey!
Yes.
It's like your pop.
It's like lollipop. My gosh, like candy, right?
Crystallized.
No, it's like then
This one.
The figure.
the figure.
This one too.
Yoda. Master
Yeah.
Yoda is here. Master Yoda is here.
Hey, you haven't had this one.
Here. Be careful, be careful.
So,
Should we compare?
Or later.
here,
It's very nice.
Yoda. Yoda. Master Yoda. Master Yoda.
Very nice, guys. A very nice figure.
This the hair, and this the hair habit.
Yes.
What color?
It's white.
White color
And
hair.
this green, the green is the
Green,
ears.
yeah. Yoda is green color.
Yes.
Yeah.
His
Alien.
eyes.
His eyes, what is eyes? His eyes.
Two, the
He has two
green.
eyes, yeah.
Let's see how many.
Yes. You know, when you touch him or when you're holding him, when you're
It's a
holding
little
this
doll.
figure, it's like full pack. The body inside is very full pack. So yeah,
And this one and
I can feel already. And even if he's small, even if he is a small figure, I can feel already that he is a
He
like
must have-
muscular.
He must have
He
been very
has.
masculine when he was in his adults.
Yes.
time.
Okay, let's take it out first. The plastic.
Like
I'll see. Ouch!
plastic,
Oh.
the take out. Plastic take out the.
Wow.
You hold it first.
Wow.
And then this is the base.
Yes.
Same print of the base of Count Dooku figure.
Let's figure that.
And
Here.
The stand, the figure.
yeah, of course the figure holder. He has this. He doesn't have that small standing holder.
And walking too.
Yeah.
Hottoys promoted it as
I just said dodge.
Baby.
Now,
Yeah. So the reason why he doesn't have that standing holder because Hottoys promoted him as like jumping
action.
action for attacking Count Dooku.
Yeah.
Right. So this is the figure, guys, and then let's put him here. So again, the hair is rooted. Very nice.
The hoodie. He's like robe.
And he has his robe
Yes.
and the light color inside suit, like kimono inside. So let's be careful.
and
Yes, doesn't have that light
Oh yeah.
lighting,
this one,
yeah, effect
extra
for
Extra hand.
for
extra arm
his lightsaber.
Yeah, it doesn't have the extra hand for the light.
and
Right,
for
Daddy?
this
Yeah.
one.
Oh, be careful, be careful.
One and two.
Yeah.
And we have two with just the bar.
That's not a lightsaber. That's a cane.
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 Cane on the word. Cane.
You should also give him some face expression.
Okay, so that's yeah, that's how it looks like, guys.
Okay, kissy. Kissy.
Okay, you look at it,
Wow, yeah, but there was
Grumpy.
right?
Very.
Looks nice, right?
and just nice.
Yes. Okay.
See the kids.
Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful, be
You
careful.
put on there.
Yes, yes. See? Yeah. Can you see? Can you see? Yes. Right.
He's making this expression.
Okay. You sit down. You sit down here. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down there. Go back. Go back. Go back.
The
Go back here,
grumpy
please.
old face.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So just a very quick review, guys. Of course, it's very nice. Of course, it's still the same from the old one, the first release of Yoda, rooted hair. Of course, it's easy to put because it's not that many hair they're going to put on it. I mean, on his head, so it's fine. And then the face looks different from the first one. Here, I think he looks more younger, or he looks more stronger, like the
Yeah.
form, the
Fitter.
body.
More fit.
He doesn't have that lighting effect on his lightsaber. They should put some. That's why maybe the price it's not that really expensive.
Or the face.
I mean, the price is around 1,000 plus Hong Kong, maybe around 1 Hong Kong, 1,100 Hong Kong, around like that. Forgot the price because I have the discount also. Not that many accessories too, so that's why also cheap. And you can see all small. Yeah, of course that's why it's cheaper, right?
Yeah, it's.
He has this lightning effect.
Where you can put the 3 fingers.
Yes, try to put. Maybe I'll put later. Yeah,
I'll put the other.
maybe.
Maybe.
I think this one looks like a fit.
Probably this one.
Yeah, this one looks like a fit. Also, actually, it's not a 3 pairs of hands. It's like 2 pairs of hands, and then 1 pair of extra feet. Let me check. It's not that really easy to put. So it doesn't say right or left on this pair of foot or feet. I mean,
So it's probably either.
yeah, so it's actually the same, meaning it's the same. Okay. Of course, his robe has some small wiring on the edges of his robe, so it has some wires. And then yeah, the details of these heads very nice too. You know, very movie accurate, guys. Highly detailed, very detailed, and then even the lightning effect. Yeah, it's very nice, guys. I mean, you're a really hardcore fan of Star Wars, and of course, it's a must. You know, like for me. I mean, I really like Yoda too. Yeah.
He's a very original.
Yes.
Like one of the very.
Because the first Yoda they released, it doesn't have that lightsaber. But at least now, see a more younger Yoda. Or a younger look of Yoda, or a younger body of Yoda, right? How about you, Martin? What can you say about this figure? Yeah. Ew, no.
So the details on his hands and feet are very movie accurate, and the scales on his head over here. Also very movie accurate.
Very detailed.
Yes, and the hair. It's like the whole figure is like the real thing. Like if you can just like animate the figure, you can turn it into the movie, right, Daddy? It's really movie accurate. Even the robes.
Oh,
Very nice. Can do the wind effect
Yes.
when it's like jumping.
Yes. His cane also is very nice too, guys. Very detailed, highly detailed
Yeah,
too.
it doesn't seem very much, but it's actually detailed. Very detailed.
Just a simple one, guys, but at least it's all clear and very clean.
You don't put
Don't put in your
nose.
nose. Oh my gosh, Ryu.
I got.
My gosh, Ryu. How about you, Ryu? What can you say about this one? What about this figure?
And figure the fighting and the figure and the fighting is for the.
Is it very nice?
Yes, nice.
Very nice. Very
Yes.
good.
Yes, good.
How does it look like? Is it really nice?
Yeah, the nice. And then he's how to
Say good job, Hottoys.
good appetite toys.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's very nice. It's a very nice part of your Star Wars collection. Yeah. Yeah. Of course, the articulation I forgot to tell again. Also, it's good. Yeah. See, you can see right there the articulation, the head. Very nice. It's stiff. I mean, it's not loose. The legs cannot really like lift on the sideways. Yeah. So more like front and back, like running maybe a little bit, and then the knees also good too. The waist cannot twist. So yeah, elbows also good. So yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. So memory run out. And very nice figure, guys. A very nice figure. I mean, it's a simple one, but then at least it's good to be part of your collection. I mean, it's nice to be part of your collection. And yeah.
So if you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and leave a like. And goodbye.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah. What do you say? Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah. Peace out. Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.